A circle's round like my favorite ball. I bounce it up and down the hall. A square has corners 1 to 4, like a box I play in on the floor. Shapes are everywhere you see. What shape could this next one be? Woof, woof. Oh, triangles, pointy and proud. 3 sides strong, they shout out loud. Stars and hearts and rectangles too. Stanley's got a shape for you. A rectangle's long, like a door so high I can't reach the handle, no matter how hard I try. A triangle stands like a mountain tall. It's the king of the shapes that won't fall. Shapes are hiding all around. Let's sniff them out, they'll all be found. That was fun, you did great. Thanks for learning with me, friends, and I'll see you next time for more fun, learning, singing, and woof, 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 woofing. Green like trees, blue just like the deepest seas. Colors, colors all around.